Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have admin credentials and a target list of domains. Start now. First, log into your DNS server or router and note the current DNS settings so you can revert if needed. Next, add the domains you want to block to a new list or zone. This ensures you don't overwrite existing records. Once done, configure the DNS to resolve those names to 0, 0, 0, 0 or a null address so clients will fail to reach blocked sites. Now you build the blocking logic inside your DNS service. Create a master zone or local override for each domain and pointer records to 0, 0, 0, 0 and /to cover IP4 and IP6. Make sure DNS recursion and forwarding settings direct client queries through this resolver so the overrides take effect. If using a device-level solution like Pi-hole, import your list and enable it. For bind, add zone files and reload the daemon so the changes are active immediately. Finish by pushing the configuration to all clients and verifying behavior. Flush DNS caches on phones and computers, or renew DHCP to pick up new resolver IPs, and then test block names with dig or enslookup to confirm they return the null address. Make sure devices using external DNS are forced to your resolver via firewall or DHCP to avoid bypass. If something goes wrong, inspect DNS server logs, clear caches, and check that forwarders or parental controls aren't overriding your zone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.